Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Let's design a French country home with the prettiest wallpaper. Hey there! So you're dreaming of a French country house? Me too. It's one of my absolute favorite styles. It's all about that warm, lived-in elegance that feels both refined and completely welcoming. Imagine stone facades, soft color palettes, and a mix of rustic and delicate touches. Now let's take that classic foundation and weave in a gorgeous signature detail, a floral stripe wallpaper in rose and beige. This pattern is going to be our secret weapon, adding a touch of romantic charm to every room. Ready to walk through this dream home together? Let's go room by room. Picture a soft stone or creamy stucco exterior with a sloping clay-tiled roof. Shutters in a weathered gray-blue frame the windows, which are just begging to have flower boxes overflowing with lavender and petunias. A climbing rose bush trails near the front door, its blooms echoing the rose in our wallpaper. The garden feels unstructured and lush, with herb patches and loose gravel paths. It's not overly manicured but abundant and joyful. The overall vibe is inviting, as if the house has been sitting comfortably in the countryside for 100 years. Step inside, and the first thing you see is our beautiful rose and beige floral stripe wallpaper. It sets the tone immediately: romantic, soft, and cheerful. We'll keep the furniture simple. Maybe a distressed wooden console table with a curvy carved leg. On top, a chunky ceramic jug filled with fresh-cut garden flowers. The floor could be terracotta tiles or white plank oak, softened by a patterned rug. A wrought iron chandelier or a simple lantern hangs above, casting a warm glow. This space isn't grand, it's a gentle, fragrant hello. In here, the floral stripe might accent just one wall, perhaps behind a large linen-covered sofa. We'll balance the pattern with plenty of solid, textural fabrics in beige, cream, and soft gray. Think slip-covered armchairs, a hefty wooden coffee table, and a stone fireplace, the heart of the room. Accessories are key: throw pillows with embroidered details, a painted cabinet, and stacks of books. The look is collected, not decorated. It's a room that says, "Come in, get cozy, and stay a while." This is where the wallpaper truly shines, creating a serene and dreamy retreat. Applying it to all four walls envelopes the room in a gentle blooming garden. The bed is the star, a carved wooden or wrought iron headboard piled high with linen bedding and a quilt at the foot. A vintage rug sits beside the bed, and curtains in a solid, flowing fabric frame the windows. Lighting is soft from ceramic bedside lamps. The air feels light, fragrant, and perfectly peaceful for a good night's sleep. For a touch of drama, let's use the wallpaper on the ceiling. It turns the dining space into an intimate garden bower. Below, a long farmhouse-style table with mismatched ladder-back chairs sits on a worn Persian rug. A painted buffet holds stacks of white dishes and more jugs of greenery. Overhead, a simple iron ring chandelier holds dripping candles or candle-style bulbs. Meals here feel like special occasions, even if it's just Tuesday night pasta. It's conversational, charming, and utterly unique. We'll be subtle here. Maybe we use the floral stripe as a backsplash behind the open shelves or inside a glass front cabinet. The main elements are classic French country: cream-colored cabinetry, a farmhouse sink, and butcher block counters. Open shelves display white stoneware and copper pots. A rustic wood island anchors the room, and a pretty ceramic tile floor adds pattern underfoot. It's a workspace that feels warm and personal, where the cook is always part of the conversation. Let's have some fun. Imagine the floral stripe wallpaper in here, paired with beadboard wainscoting painted a crisp white. A freestanding clawfoot tub, the ultimate luxury, sits proudly on a weathered wood floor. Towels are thick and white, stacked on a simple shelf. For vanity, a repurposed wooden table with a stone sink bowl adds rustic character. Final touches include a gilded mirror and a sprig of eucalyptus on the tub ledge. It's a charming, timeless space that feels like a little escape.